Greetings to all in Jesus Christ. We are grateful to Rapha Mission International and Pastor Soleiman Manzoor, who are Ambassador of Peace, International Pastor, and Servant of God. Whenever there are problems in Pakistan, they stand side by side with the people of Pakistan. You can see that the servant of God has taken food for the victim people and is packing himself. God bless him and bless his team. You can see that the servant of God helped the poor and helpless people with their own hands by going from street to street, city to city. Whenever in Pakistan, if there is a flood or disaster, Rapha Mission stand by them at all time. The poor and orphan of Pakistan continue to help the needy people. Rapha Mission has also put up tents. Servant of God, Pastor Suleiman Manzoor, has arranged roofs over the head of the poor and arranged tents so that people can live comfortably under the roof and live, and we salute to servant of God, salute to Rafa Mission. We appreciate his services and take care of these poor and orphans. Long life Rafa Mission International, long life Pakistan. God bless you. Reported by Dilawar Amanuel.